Hey guys, so my hair is a little messy, but please excuse that. So my tripod broke. So that's great. I don't have a tripod to sit down and film videos. All I have is this little one that came with my camera. So I'm pretty bummed out about that, so I can't like sit down and do talking videos much unless I have something that I can set this on, which I don't think I do, but we're gonna figure it out. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know I am feeling a little bit better about my whole situation. I still don't have a job yet, so yeah. So tomorrow I am going to Panera, I think either Panera or Big B, and I'm just gonna work on some videos, get them uploaded for the week. I am starting to post twice a week, so I hope you guys are excited. Yeah. I just want to come on and let you guys know that I'm alive. I just don't have internet at my house still, and we have roommates, so it's like hard for me to film because the room is right there and they never leave, so I can't really film videos. Anyways, yeah, so I will see you in my next clip. Hi guys, it's like 10 minutes later. Actually, it's like 20 minutes later. Hold on. We just finished eating. We had like beef, like steak and rice. It was really good. And then we went to the gas station to get pop because we forgot to go and buy pop, which is not good, but like I'm so addicted to it. It's so bad. Anyways, we have officially moved into the house. Our room is still a hot mess, but I think it's gonna be like this for a while, and I'm thinking of like doing a little room tour. It's like a minimalist room tour, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm still waiting on a dresser, so once that probably gets here, I'm going to do it. And my desk area over there is going to get cleaned up, and I'm going to get it ready for fall, and I cannot wait to do a tour desk. I'm so excited. But right now, going to clean up this room, put on Netflix. I just started watching the 3rd season of 13 Reasons Why, and it is so crazy. Oh my gosh. Also, we were feeding the chickens and I stepped into a nail and it like shattered my toenail. You want to see? Viewer discretion is advised. 3, 2, 1. Can I show them my foot? Guess who's back? Baby Ted is back. He is officially up here with me now. It has been so long. It's been like 4 months since he's been living with me, and I finally have him here. Look at my baby. He's here. Anyways, look at my toe. Oh, baby Ted. Hey, hey. Can I show them my toe first? My toe is all messed up. Look at it. I ran into like a nail on a board outside. Baby Ted, stop. Can I show them my foot? Anyways, let's try this again. I don't know why it's taking forever to focus. But my toe, it literally, ow, that hurts. It broke my toenail. Well, the top of it anyway. And I'm bleeding, so that's great. My toes are so weird, you guys. Look. Like, my baby toe is hidden. Are you guys' feet like that? I might have to get surgery in the future because my baby toes just hide. And I'm literally, like, walking on them. Those are my ugly feet. There's the baby. Hi, baby Ted. You love me. Yeah, you love me. Hi, baby Ted. Also, I got 2 new candles from Bath and Body Works, and I had to get the fall candles, and these were like the only 2 that smelled like the best. And this one is pumpkin pecan waffles. It smells so good. And then I got caramel pumpkin swirl. Those 2 are the best smelling candles at Bath and Body Works for fall, I think. So I'm gonna go back and get more when they have another deal. Those were like half off, $15 each. So now I'm just going to clean up this room and we're gonna watch Netflix.